Good afternoon, everyone. I am Archita and my friends. We are here to explain about the languages in SQL. Mainly, SQL is structured query language. In data definition language, we have four types of commands. First one is create command. First of all, before creating a table, we have to create a database. That is create database name semicolon. Next, this is a query. First of all, to create a table. Then next, second command is alter. In alter, we have four types of operations, that is add, modify, rename and drop. And the query is alter table name. For add operation, we will write add column name and next data type. And similarly, for next operations, that is modify, we will write alter table name, modify and like data type, new data type. Here we will modify a data type. Then next third one is rename. We will rename the table name as old table name to new table name. The next last one is drop. We will, if you want to delete a column, then we use this drop command. Next third one is truncate. This truncate is used to delete a table permanently, but it does not delete the structure of the table. The next last one is drop. These both are similar, but this also delete the table permanently, but it includes the structure also, means it deletes the structure of the table also. And here it cannot delete the structure of the table, but both deletes permanently. That's it.
I am Deepa. I am here to explain about DML command. Here DML stands for data manipulation language. In this we have four types. First one is update. Update is used for modifying the data in a table and for a specific column or a row. Second one, insertion. Insert is used for inserting a data in a table. In that we have two specific column insertion. One is with specific column name and second one is without specific column name. And third one is select. Select command is used for selecting in a specific row or column in the table, like select star from the table name. And fourth one is delete. Delete is used for deleting in a specific entire table in a database, and it will delete the structure of the table temporarily, not permanently. That's it.
Hey, I am Sudhir Basha. Today I am explaining about the SQL TCL command, and TCL stands for the transaction control language, and the TCL is used to the transaction use the databases and to save that databases. And TCL having the three commands, three languages, and first one is the commit, second one is the rollback, and third one is the save point. Commit command is used to the save this permanently data, and rollback we have saving the commit databases and we will roll back the database, and the save point will be giving the futuristic data saving, and we will save the data point by using the save command. It will be used for the future.